Okay, morning guys, hope you're well. This fine day, 28th of February. What we're going to do is we're going to have a quick look at the economic news, see if there's anything that's standing out and may potentially turn or spike the market. And we're also going to check the strengths and see if there's a watch list for today. So let's flick this over. So straight away, if we come on to the economic calendar, through the night, not a great deal happened. Made a little bit of movement on gold, but that was the only thing that really stuck out for me. Now, I've already been into gold myself this morning and done reasonably okay, as you can see. And then the final position is on coming here. And that's what I've already done. So I'm just going to let that run down. So that's my gold trade. And I have that mirrored in the small account, which is here. So you can see that. Okay, so that's what I'm doing at the minute. And that was just based on the overnight movement. Now, as we go into this morning, what we're looking at is not a great deal, in fairness. It's incredibly low impact all the way up to 1:30 when the US data comes in. So this morning is purely technical. And if we run through at 1:30 when the US data comes in, it's the growth rate today at 1:30. It is high impact, it is red letter news, but be reasonably careful around that time because this can spike the market up, especially with us coming on to the end of the month. So just be very, very wary of that. Now, from there onwards, there's next to nothing. Everything is low impact, but it's quite a lot of US data, as you can see, and then it runs up into JPY, getting ready for tomorrow. So, only 1:30 to worry about, and then it ripples in the pond. And what that's actually showing, because when we come on to this, the US has absolutely rocketed to the top. Because if the dollar's strong, gold will naturally sell off. And that's one of the reasons why I was trading gold this morning. Now, from there, the weakest and the biggest drop is the Aussie. So you can see the huge drop here. Again, that's going to create movement. And then when we look at the movement, they are poles apart from the last data sample as well, making it the number one choice to look at today. And if you are looking at it, look at a 4-hour chart because it's being pulled out as number one. Your targets aren't great because the ATRs on the Aussie is pretty low at the moment. So you want to be sort of 6 pips ish, just as a baseline to get in and get out. And it's also fired up here. If I just move that down into shot slightly, the majors, it's pulled up as a good pair there as well. Okay, so that's the news and the pick. If I just flick this over a second, or at least I will do when I flick it on correct. If I looked at the Aussie dollar from the last time we saw it, just take the indicators off, you'll see it's on a heavy sell. It's in an incredible sell over the last period. You can easily look for the continuation of this, but if you are going to, there's going to be some form of retracement against that as well. Okay, so world's your oyster with it today. Happy days. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.